So you're getting Valorant error 9004, and you've tried all the usual fixes. Well, it's not a long tutorial, but nothing's worked, right? Well, I'm going to tell you what most people miss. Your Windows itself might be too old, and Valorant just won't run on it no matter what you do. Here's the thing. A lot of viewers have reached out saying they followed my other 9004 tutorials, but the error keeps coming back. And when I dig into it, 9 times out of 10, it's because their Windows build is outdated. So let's check what version and build you're actually running, because that's the foundation everything sits on. First, open Windows Search. Just click that search icon in your taskbar or press the Windows key and type winver without the quotes. Hit enter and a window pops up that tells you exactly what version and build number you have. Now here's what you need to know. Valorant's minimum requirement is Windows 10 version 2004 build 19041. That's the absolute floor. If you're below that, Valorant won't even talk to your PC, and error 9004 is basically Windows telling you, hey, I'm not new enough for this. I'm going to show you a screenshot with all the Windows 10 builds listed out so you can see where you fall. If you're below that 2004 build line, you've got one job: update Windows. And look, I've got a full tutorial on how to do that properly. Just check my channel for the Windows Update Guide and follow along. It's not optional, and it's not something you can work around with registry tweaks or driver updates. Valorant needs that version, full stop. But here's what's interesting. If you're already at version 2004 or higher, and you're still seeing 9004, then we've got a different problem. In that case, check out my other tutorials on the channel that target this specific error. Just search Valorant 9004 and you'll find the full breakdown depending on what your exact issue is. The point is, don't skip this step. Check your build first. It'll save you hours of troubleshooting. Trust me.